I've been a Hemi guy for a long time, and I've got a bunch of friends that, they put other motors in them, but I put Hemis in everything I build. If I build it, it's going to have a Hemi. My name is Bill Rowe. I'm at the MoParty in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and this is my '64 Dodge Polara 500, and it has a 392 Hemi with a BDS blower with two quick fuel carburetors on it, and 727 torque flight transmission, 8 3/4 rear end. I bought the car originally, it came from California, and I bought it out of Illinois. It was in pretty bad shape, but I took it totally apart and I've redid everything on it, all new wiring, all the parts came off of it and all either re-chromed or replaced. Had to put a left rear quarter panel in it out of a junkyard because you can't find anything new for them. So at this point, I think it's in pretty decent shape. This is the newest model of car I've ever built. I usually stay in the 30s, but a lot of my buddies want me to build a '69 Charger, but I wanted something a little bit different. I like the front end on this one better than I do on the Charger. Most of those are a little kind of flat, but this one's got a little more design to it. I like that. Building a 22 Dodge Roadster right now. The little 34 over there is mine also. And this car's been picked 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th by the National Hot Rod Association to go to Indianapolis, Indiana for the National Car Show and Drag Championship. And that one's been chosen twice. I've had it since about 2014, and it took me about 2.5 years to build it. So I'll probably hang on to it for a while. I'm building a 22 Dodge Roadster now, and then I've got a 26 Walter P. Chrysler after that. And I might think about selling it after that. Yeah, I've got some prospects on it, nothing positive yet, but I got some people out there that's looking and talking. So.